Now we're going to try something that I hope will find favor with all of you. I always get frustrated when we do these commitment announcements because there are so many good people who don't get to come up here. So we're trying to do something this year called the lightning round, in which I'm going to invite people up here by category at different plenaries and let them introduce themselves to you and tell you in a sentence or so what it is they propose to do. Since girls' and women's issues have become a core focus of our community over the past few years, and quite a few of you are thinking more and more about how to support and empower women and girls across the globe, I want to invite to the stage some members who will report on new and existing commitments working to meet this important goal. So let's have the lightning round for girls and women. Come on up.
Mr. President, I'm Bob Cordy. I'm with the Avon Foundation for Women. In 2011, the Avon Foundation made a commitment to improve cancer treatment around the world through our Global Breast Cancer Clinical Scholars Program, where we award clinical scholarships to breast cancer specialists around the world. I'm happy to report that our first class of 25 scholars from 23 medical centers and hospitals in 14 countries started their fellowships this month in San Francisco.
Mr. President, I am Maysoon Odegangat, founder of the Nisa Broadcast Radio Company in Palestine, which is funded by CGI member, the Humanity Foundation. Nisa's commitment will increase female representation in Palestinian news media and create programming that is relevant to women and integrates female perspectives into the public discourse.
I'm Gary Cohen of Becton Dickinson. In 2009, I partnered with 4 UN agencies led by UNICEF, the CDC, Grupo ABC, the Naduna Foundation, and later the US State Department, in a commitment to address sexual violence against girls. Today, Together for Girls works with the governments of 9 countries in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean to generate national data, drive changes in law and law enforcement, mobilize prevention programs, and provide services to victims.
Mr. President, I am Tracy Beim of Freeport-McMoran Copper and Gold. Our 2011 commitment to partner with Thunderbird School of Global Management and Blue Drop Performance Learning to develop the online training program, Dream Builder, the Women's Business Creator, is currently active in Peru and Chile. Our goal is to reach 3,000 female entrepreneurs in our mining communities.
Mr. President, I'm Noela Kosaris Musulka, founder of the George Malaika Foundation. My commitment is to expand free educational access and quality learning opportunities for 340 girls in the Katanga province of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, empowering these young women to become creative agents for change.
Mr. President, I am Jimmy Briggs, founder of Man Up Campaign, which launched the 2009 CGI to help young people globally address violence against women in their communities. This year, we commit to supporting 2 youth-led groups, the Democratic Republic of Congo, engaging over 300 students, teachers, and administrators in addressing the normalization of sexual violence in schools. And we are 6 commitment makers working to ensure that women and girls around the world can achieve their highest potential.
Thank you all.